In human development, in the previous session, we have gone through about the concept of human development, difference of growth and development we have done so far. And the previous session, we did the pillars and approaches to human development. As you know, Human Development Index is a statistic composite index of life expectancy, education, and per capita income indicators, which are used to rank countries into different tiers, different level of development. So today this HDI, which is very important index and indicator of human development, we are going to learn in this session about the measurement of human development. This include how to calculate HDI. Basically, HDI ranks the countries based on their performance in the key areas of development, which already you have been informed in the previous sessions. The key areas of development are health, education, and access to resources. These ranking, which is based on these three indicators of health, education, and access to resources, is based on a score between 0 and 1. The score of HDI is falls between 1 and 0. 0 is the lowest score and 1 is the highest. HDI is a statistic composite index of life expectancy, education, and per capita income indicators, which is used to rank the countries into four tiers of human development, that is very high, high, medium, and low. These are the four tiers of human development in which different countries falls on the basis of the scores given by HDI. The indicator chosen to assess health. To assess health, the life expectancy at birth is the indicator. Means higher the life expectancy means that people have a greater chances of living longer and healthier life. In a country where life expectancy at birth is low, it means the chances of people to live a longer and healthier life is less. Second, that is adult literacy rate and gross enrollment ratio represent the access to knowledge, means education. For education, two index: adult literacy rate, gross enrollment ratio. The number of adults who have ability to read and write, means literacy, and the number of children enrolled in the school who get admission in the school, shows how it is easy or difficult to assess or access knowledge in the particular country. So these are the indicators: adult literacy rate and uh, gross enrollment ratio of the children who get admission in the school, shows the country's level of education and facilities provided by government or available in the country to the children, they are able to get education or not. Third, access to resources is measured in terms of purchasing power, means money, salary that depends on the income. These are the three indicators. Again, I wanted to tell. One is for health, life expectancy at birth, adult literacy rate and gross enrollment ratio. For the education, and access to resources is measured in terms of purchasing power. This is the indicators of different key areas of development. Earlier, in the these were the method used to calculate HDI score. And the method to calculate HDI score keeps changing from time to time. Recently, this method have been changed. Some changes have been done. In the new method for HDI, each of these three dimensions given weightage 1/3 by combining a long and healthy life expectancy as birth like earlier. Education index has been changed little. Mean year of schooling and expected years of schooling has been included now. And instead of access to resources, a decent standard of living has been including to calculate GNI per capita. This is a new method. But either this is new method or the previous method of calculating HDI, but score is falls between 0 to 1. When HDI score is close to 1, it means the greater the level of human development. The countries which are close to 0.999 or 998, that is close to 1, these countries have greater level of human development. But when the HDI score is close to 0, the lower the level of development would be considered. And the score between 0 to 1 have been divided in 1000 points. For example, a score of 0.991, that is close to 0, would be considered very high, while 0.268 would mean a very low level of human development. And this is how HDI is calculated. Human Development Index is calculated to measure the human development of different countries. But in the calculation of HDI, there are some attainments and shortfalls also considered. What are these attainments and shortfalls? We should know the Human Development Index measured attainments in human development, and these attainments reflect what has been achieved in key areas of human development, that is health, education and money, access to resources. And the Human Poverty Index is related to the Human Development Index. This index measures the shortfall in human development, and shortfall is an non-income measure. Shortfall means what is required for the human development but has not been achieved so far in a country. For example, the probability means possibility of not surviving till the age of 40 or 50 means people's life expectancy is less. That should be high. High life expectancy is attainment, but when the country's life expectancy at birth is low, that is shortfall. The adult literacy rate has not been achieved so far. The number of people who do not have access to clean water, the number of underweight children are taken into account to show shortfalls in human development in any region. Means these are those things which are required for the development of human or the place or a country, but these things have not been achieved so far, or work have not been done to achieve these facilities, and these facilities has to be improved for the human development, right? So these would be considered shortfalls against the attainments. UNDP, you should know, the United Nations Development Program this is, and this program publish Human Development Report, HDR we can say, every year since 1990, and before 1990 World Bank used to publish development report of different country. It was not human development report earlier. World Bank publish development, and that was based on economic development. But UNDP publish Human Development Report every year since 1990 after the contribution of Mehboob Haq and Amrita Singh, and provide a rank-wise list of member countries of UN. There are around 193-94 member countries of UN according to level of development. And this level of development depends on the three key areas of development. Again, this is literacy for education, life expectancy for health, and access to resources, money. And there are two important index used by UNDP. One is HDI. Already we have seen how it is calculated. This is a composite statistic index based on health, education, and income. And before 1980s, Human Poverty Index, which was an indicator of poverty of a community in a country developed by UN. And this is for today, and for tomorrow, in tomorrow's session we will see the international comparison between the different countries on the based of HDI score, right? Thank you.